In this video, we're going to learn how to set up a filter on a widget in a dashboard. So let's use this pie chart as an example. By clicking on the filter icon, we access the filter properties directly on the widgets for properties. We click on Add Filter, and then we can see how the filter is built. We select the column we want to filter on, in this case department. We choose which comparator we want to use. We stick to equal. And then we have different options to choose from. Let's go through them one by one. The first option is very simple. Here we simply select the categories we want to display in our chart. So this filter is static. For interactive filters, turn to the next options. The second option is to create a filter based on another widget. We choose Input Widget, and here we can see the list of all the input widgets available on the dashboard already. So each time a user selects a city, in the List City widget, the pie chart will be filtered. Note that you can turn off the filter at any time. That works for any type of filter as well. And you can turn on conditional visibility. So that means that anytime nothing is selected in the List City widget, the pie chart will display everything here because the filter will be ignored. You can also choose to set up a filter based on a parameter set at the user or team level. Here we can see the list of all the user parameters set up for users. This will make sure that each viewer on the dashboard will only see what they are allowed to see. Finally, you can also filter on formulas. So formulas are very powerful. You can do things like, for example, mathematical calculations, but you can also work with dates or logics. For example, you could say, if a user selects a row in the table widget on the dashboard, then I want my pie chart here to be filtered on the same category as the row. Filters can also be grouped like this, and you can change operators between the filters. This will, of course, change the whole logic of the filtering system. Don't forget to save, and you're done.